let's go, let's update Andy here. So we made this thing. What's it?
It's some kind of connects contraption in a ride.
Yeah, it's like a freaking merry-go-round minus the horses and stuff.
Yeah, one that it'll move you almost like this.
Yeah. Yeah, look at it go.
It needs a battery, but we'll be getting that later.
Yeah, at 3 miles an hour. Hold on.
We can even try this one.
Yep. No, here, let me do it. Let me do it. You've done enough.
Okay.
There we go, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs, like, comments. Turn that notifications bell. There's one right there. Make sure to keep me follow on social media, Twitter, and Darren's been up with the link in the description. Also, Google Plus, Instagram @e1699, Snapchat 891649. That is watch.
That one right there is still under construction.
And thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out, my dudes.